girl? Who's this girl? Tapos, pinakanta ko ni Okay Lu. Guys, ang random niya lang. Sobrang random. Sobrang, hindi siya, wala siyang first part. Parang bigla lang akong nandun na kaagad ako sa concert. Hindi nga siya concert pero parang yung mga stage na binabaklas din after yung event. Ganun siya. Ganun yung setting niya. Tapos, syempre may mga divider lang sa, naglagay lang sila ng backstage dito. Parang theater people. I do not know the terms. Pero, meron ditong parang dalawang boards. So, parang, tas may stairs dun sa dalawang gilid. Tapos after dun, yung likod nun, backstage na. So, nagpe-perform si Okay Lu. Kumakanta si Okay Lu. Naka-get up siya sa Pinas to, I'm sure. Sa Pinas siya. Tapos yung get up niya, parang yung itsura niya dun sa album cover ng Viscous kasama si FKA Twigs. Ganun yung suot niya. And then, ako, I don't know what took over me. I don't know what spirit took over me. But I went to the front of the stage. Alam ko na nandun si Okay Lu. Alam ko na nagpa-perform siya. But I still went to the front of the stage and pretended like I was lost. The stage is like elevated, and then I pretended to be like, oh, I don't know where to go. Parang this is the only way out of that backstage, girl. May daan sa baba kung saan pwede akong lumabas. Hindi ko yun pinuntahan. Doon talaga ako sa divider dumaan. Tapos dadaan ako in front of the stage to go down. And then, di nagulat si Okay Lu. Anong ginagawa nito? Who's this girl? Who's this girl? Tapos, pinakanta ko ni Okay Lu. Guys! Pinakanta ko ni Okay Lu, guys. Di ba ang bait niya? She's not like those kind of singers that just parang raw vocals, and she has like auto-tune and stuff. So, there are some kind of technologies that distorts her voice. Parang it distorts her voice. And mind you, merong mga boses na binabagayan yung auto-tune. Like, hindi laging, just because you have auto-tune doesn't mean you're gonna sound good. You know, when you see those Morgan J clips, meron pa rin mga, kahit tapatan niya na auto-tune, medyo sintonado pa rin. You need to kind of have natural, like, if you sound good, and then you have auto-tune, you're gonna sound better. Parang ganun siya. It's not magical na it's just gonna tune everything to its right, like, pitch. So, hindi niya tinanggal yung auto-tune nung pinakanta niya ako. Ang kapal na mukha ko, yung kinanta ko pa, it's not an Okay Lu song. Like, I just sung whatever, and y'all know what I sung? I sung Christine Daae's riff from The Phantom of the Opera. If you don't know how that goes, look it up. Probably it's because my sister sings it so much na pumasok na siya sa dreams ko. I sung that in auto-tune. I started singing it. And I sound so bad. Like, I sound like a dying goat even with the auto-tune.
Oh my god.
The people are blurred. Mind you, we are performing in what looks like a municipal hall. Parang in front of me is people, mga middle-aged women, waiting for, I don't know. Alam niyo yung may nakita kayo clip sa social media na mayroon nagdo-donate ng blood, tapos may bumibirit sa stage. Parang ganun yung ganap namin ni Okay Lu. So parang, lang kami, intermission number lang si Okay Lu sa munisipyo. Ano ba to mga panaginip ko? Tapos nakita ko na lang tumungo na lang ako hanggang sa nakita ko yung puting tiles ng munisipyo. Gumanon ako. Tapos si Okay Lu, in-explain niya yung technology ng auto-tune na it's okay. Not everyone, guys, she has a naturally wonderful voice. Aww. Thank you. Guys, she has a naturally wonderful voice. I can hear it from here. Sinabi niya yun. I can hear it from here. what I want you to know, that auto-tune is not for everyone. Just because they have auto-tune doesn't mean that it's gonna sound good right away. Nag-explain siya sa stage. Tapos parang yes, nod and smile ako doon. I'm like, hindi ako nagpasalamat kay Okay Lu. Alam niyo yung ginawa ko after nun? I just went down the stage. Bumalik ako sa backstage.